is very important. Look how slowly she goes con queste unghie.
The treatment can be given at any time by before
Le
sleeping.
riconosceranno.
If the treatment is given at night time and after she directly
Sarebbero
goes
guanti,
on
in
the bed,
realtà.
it is okay.
You have to do, the best thing to do when you do cavitation is right after the treatments to give a lymphatic massage. Lymph drainage.
Okay.
Okay? If you do the lymphodrainage and she
sul
goes to the
braccio.
bathroom, I don't see any big
Non si vedono.
contraindications.
Io con le
Okay?
maniche, dovrei abbassare le
Go to
maniche.
sleep. Huh?
Dovrei abbassare le maniche con le braccia macchiate, mi fa fastidio.
Ci sono cose ben più gravi.
Ah, sicuramente. Tipo le mie unghie.
Okay? Meanwhile, the timer is doing its job. We have now 8 seconds left for the firming. Okay? For the 5 minutes firming thing. That's it.
Repeat it again.
For the shaping part of the treatment, she will use, Rossella will use the flat hand probe. Okay? She will now program the machine.
Just
Machine is asking to select a function, so she presses the usual button. She will select